friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making very easy egg salad. For this easy salad, we need eggs, onion, and mayo. Those are the required ingredients, and the rest are seasonings. I like to use salt and pepper, a little bit of mustard, sweet pickle relish, and paprika. And you can use any seasonings you like. So first I will start by cutting up the hard-boiled eggs. So I will cut the egg in half and then chop it into pieces. And I will repeat with the remaining eggs. And once I chop the egg, I will put it in a bowl. And next I'm going to peel and cut the onion. And this is a pretty big onion. I don't need all of it. I'll just use probably half to a third for this amount of eggs. So first I will peel the onion. And I will cut off the amount that I want to use, so about a third, and I'll reserve the rest for another use. And now I will chop the onion into small pieces. And I will add chopped onion to the eggs. So here are basic ingredients, egg and onion, and now we will season it. So I will add salt and pepper. And I will add mayo. And I will add a little bit of mustard. And a little bit of sweet pickle relish. And paprika. And now let's mix it. And we are done. See how easy it was? So basic, so quick and easy, and it tastes amazing. Let's try it. This egg salad is awesome. You are going to love it. And now, if you'd like, you can make an egg salad sandwich out of this egg salad very easily. To make a sandwich, you just need bread. So let's take 2 slices of bread, and we'll just simply spread the egg salad on one of the slices. And cover with the top slice. And that's it. Now you've got egg salad sandwich. And now once you made the sandwich, if you'd like, you can cut it in half. So here's perfect egg salad sandwich. For a printable recipe and exact quantities of the ingredients, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.